Hi everyone, this is Eddie from CRWS of Hong Kong. I'm going to present the M249 MKII model by A&K China. This is quite a popular model among these other Japanese M249 or the Star because the price is cheap and the quality is excellent because it's full metal construction, very solid, and of course very heavy. So if you are not a tall or big guy, you will get quite tired after 1 or 2 games. And let me show you some close-up for this model. I'm sure there's a lot of online review already on this other YouTube, but I'm gonna show it once again. It's the front side, and it's front barrel. You can take off this heat shield on this here. And this handle can be folded down or folded outward. You can open this top receiver and you can see the gearbox straight away. It's full metal gearbox. You can pull the charging handle here. It is fake, of course. And when you close the cover, sometimes you see it's impossible to close because you have to pull it backwards slightly, so this can go down. And I'm going to take this M249 apart to show you how to change the spring in just like 1 or 2 minutes. It's very easy to do. But before that, we're going to see the other side of the gun. Backstop. This bit is fake because for the real gun this can fold upwards so all the shell can be ejected here after firing. It's a plastic handguard. You can fold this bipod down here, just take it out, use. This bit is for mounting on the like a jeep or other battle station for the real gun. This is the gas part. Okay, so I'm going to take this spring out to show you. You need to take this pin out, and you may need to take a screwdriver or something to screw this out. Oh, it's quite easy for this one. Right, I'm going to get some tools to take this pin out. Okay, now you can fold this top here. you can see there's a circular stuff here, and you pull this backward. Oops, the spring just jumped out, so you can take the spring out now. So this is how you change the spring in just like 2 minutes. And the front of this gun, the barrel, can be taken off easily as well. You can fold the bipod here forward so it won't get in the way. So you press this button here, just like the real gun, and the front barrel can take apart. So it's very easy to do. So for our CRW 2-part service to UK, it's gonna be like this to send in 3 pieces: the backstop, the main body, and that's it. Thank you for watching.